I'm Shelly Ehler, and I'm Mission Oaks Counseling and Wellness Center's new resident life coach. And I personally would like to invite you to my upcoming workshop entitled Ho'oponopono, the Gift of Forgiveness, on February 7th at 6:30 p.m. Ho'oponopono is an ancient Hawaiian forgiveness process, and you may think that sounds really weird, and how does that apply to me? Well, Ho'oponopono is done for 3 reasons. Number 1, it's most commonly done to forgive someone who's wronged you. So if you're holding on to any bitterness or any anger or any disappointments towards another person or towards yourself, because to be honest, a lot of the forgiveness we need to do sometimes is towards ourselves, then that's the first reason. Number 2, it's done in order to restore relationships. So if you need to repair a relationship with a spouse or a child or a friend, we can use the Ho'oponopono process to let go of the baggage, to let go of the hurt and the anger, so that we can reconnect again in love. And lastly, it's done when someone that we've loved has passed away. We can use the process to let go of the grief, to let go of the sadness, so that that person can then live on in our heart and happiness. So if any of this resounds with you, I would love to have you join us next Wednesday, February 7th at 6:30 p.m. here at Mission Oaks Counseling and Wellness Center. And I would like to encourage you to sign up as quickly as possible because space is limited and it is starting to fill up. There's a link below in the comments where you can reserve a spot online. And I'd also like to say that if you can't make it on February 7th and you still would like to do the Ho'oponopono process, I'd be happy to meet with you in person and we can do it in a private session. So I hope to see you on February 7th. Thank you so much for your time. Sending you lots of love and light. Thanks.